What's up YouTube? So the reason why tinanggal natin ito ay yung kanyang release bearing maingay na po. Okay. Pag inapakan mo yung clutch, mag-iingay na po yan. See? And then ang worst scenario, yung kanyang dito niya sa may clutch disc. Maingay po, kaya habang tumatakbo siya nagki-create siya ng sounds ganyan. So worn out na po yung kanyang clutch disc, yung sa input shaft. Dito po papasok yung input shaft galing sa gearbox, and then you can hear the noise. That's really bad actually. Okay, so we're gonna change the whole thing. Okay, saka malaki na pong play. Ang acceptable play lang nito is like 5 or 3 when you lock on this one, and then meron tayong video na ginawa regarding pag determine on how to determine bad flywheel, no? But this one here, it's not really bad, like, but the only thing here is the sounds. One, it's the only thing that's bad. And then this one here, release bearing. Okay, so we're going to address that one. But for fun, we're gonna clean this a little bit here. Okay. So again, ang concern po ni sir dito is pag inapaka, no, yung kanyang clutch pedal ay tumutunog po yung kanyang yan, yung kanyang clutch disc. Ang akala niya release bearing lang, but hindi. Yung kanyang disc po, yung kanyang yung kanyang sa input shaft ng clutch disc is yun po ang tumutunog, as you can hear. So yun po, kaya natin papalitan. Since papalitan natin, minabuti niya palitan na lang buo lahat, like including the clutch lining or clutch kit, and then flywheel, para buo, para hahaba pa po yung buhay ng sasakyan, no, o yung makina. So yan po ang ating gagawin. Okay, so yan noise, and then dinanggal na natin yung kanyang yung kanyang release bearing. Kita ko sa inyo, the release bearing not really bad like as it is, but when the pressure is applied, it will make weird noise along with the clutch disc input shaft. So kailangan natin papalitan. That's it. And then in the whole kit is dito na siya yung bago. Ito yung new release bearing, hydraulic ito. So pagka nagpalit kayo nito guys, wag nyong basta basta tatanggalin ito dahil napakasakit ang ulo to pagka once you remove this one. You're gonna be having a bad day or a headache. So whatever is in here like a kit, do not remove or do not replace. It comes with a kit on it, so whatever it is, so just put in like that. Okay, do not try to like do a Frankenstein modified on this one, because this is very bad headache if you like modify these things. So when it comes with the kit, so just install it and that's it. And then hand tight here. This is how you gonna install your clutch release bearing here. Okay, just hand tight. There are two 8mm bolt here. Hand tight before you going into the guns. Okay, just install the thing in. Make sure it's on the center. And once it's in, then you're gonna use your ratchet. You have to double check the tightness of the bolt, because that's, as I told you, once the thing inside start having a problem, then again you're gonna bring down the gearbox again. So once it's in there, double check it by hand. Okay. Should be doing this. Double check by hand. And once the bolts stop turning, then that's it. Okay.